Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express, Spring Hill, Florida, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Spring Hill, Florida hotel is 6 miles from Hernando Beach. It features spacious rooms and a daily buffet breakfast. The property will be undergoing renovations from Tuesday, April 23, 2019 until Saturday, November 30, 2019. During this period, guests may experience some noise or light disturbances, and some hotel facilities and services may not be available. A cable TV and free Wi-Fi are standard in every room at the Spring Hill Holiday Inn Express. All rooms are brightly decorated and include a coffee maker and work desk. Guests of the Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Spring Hill can enjoy free access to the outdoor pool and a small gym. A business center and free on-site parking are also available. Weeki Wachee Springs State Park is a 7-minute drive from the hotel. Oak Hills Golf Club is 4.2 miles away. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.